Hey everyone, this is Jeremiah Leads Nearby. In today's video, I'm going to show you our V8 scheduler. Let's get started. This is our online scheduling form known as V8 Scheduler. It provides a quick and easy solution for customers to book service right from your website. It is fully customizable to match your brand and services offered. It can also integrate with both ServiceTitan and Housecall Pro, meaning when a customer completes the form, it will go directly into your dispatch software where they can then be assigned and added to your calendar. Let's walk through the V8 scheduler so that you can see how it works. As you can see here, when a customer selects the option to book a service with you, they're going to first be able to select which service they need. Now from here, you see examples of what you might see if you're an HVAC company. Now, if you're a roofer, plumber, electrician, or any other business, these can all be fully customized to match the services that you offer. And once they select the service that they're needing, they're going to click Next. And here they're going to give you a little bit more information about the job that needs to be done. They can even include a couple of photos to help you, maybe identify or help you better understand where the equipment's located or understand what really needs to be done to help them. And then they're going to input their information. Then they can select whether they're a current customer. And then finally, they're going to be able to select the date and preferred time that they would like to have a technician come out. Now, as you can see here, the options are first available, morning and afternoon. These can be completely changed if you prefer time slots. We can do it that way as well. And then once the customer does that, they're going to hit submit. And then this is going to go to a couple places. One, it'll be sent to an email that is, if you have a contact form notification email, all this information from this form will be sent to that, which you can then input in your dispatch software. Or if you see that, the time that they selected doesn't work with your current schedule, then you can call the customer and find a time and date that does. If you do have the ServiceTitan or Housecall Pro integration, all of this information will be sent to the dispatch software. And then you can choose to go ahead and assign it to a technician and add it to your calendar. Or again, if you need to reach out to the customer to reschedule based on your current availability, that's what you'll do. Now that you've seen the example of this demo, I want to show you what it might look like on your actual website and just how customizable this form really is. So from here on your website, you're going to have you can say get started, book now, contact us, or anything that you wanted to say. But once you click on it, you're going to see how the form populates. And then as you can see on our form, we actually have it to where the customer inputs their information first, as opposed to selecting what service they need. And then once they do that, you can see we can actually make it where they can select more than one service if that's what they're needing. And then a message, a little bit more information about what they need help with. And then again, the scheduling form. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about any of our products, please feel free to reach out to us at 919-758-8420, or you can reach us at www.leadsnearby.com. Have a great day.